Weeds. They're everywhere, and gardeners spend hours pulling them out. But what if those weeds could actually help your garden thrive? Instead of tossing them, you can turn weeds into a rich free fertilizer for your plants. This method, called weed tea, is an age-old gardening secret. Imagine feeding your tomatoes and roses with something you made yourself, right from your own backyard. No more expensive chemical feeds, just a natural homemade solution. Making weed tea is simple, sustainable, and connects you to your garden's natural cycle. You'll start seeing weeds as a resource, not a nuisance. This shift helps you work with nature, recycling nutrients back into your soil. The result? Healthier, more resilient plants and a greener, more self-sufficient garden. Ready to turn garden chores into garden triumphs? Let's walk through the steps from collecting weeds to brewing your own plant food. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to unlock this secret. Your garden will thank you with bigger blooms and tastier veggies. Why is weed tea so good for your plants? It's all about the nutrients. Weeds like dandelions pull minerals from deep in the soil, nutrients your garden plants crave. When you brew weed tea, you capture that goodness, especially nitrogen for lush green growth. It's a quick natural boost like a vitamin drink for your plants. Besides nitrogen, weed tea delivers potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. These nutrients help plants flower, fruit, and fight off pests. Because the minerals are already processed by the weeds, your plants absorb them fast. Plus, the brewing process fills the tea with beneficial microorganisms that improve soil health. Weed tea feeds both your plants and the soil, building a stronger, more fertile garden. It's a simple way to create lasting, natural vitality in your backyard. Start by gathering weeds. Dandelions, nettles, comfrey, chickweed, and grass clippings are all great choices. Collect them before they set seed to avoid spreading more weeds. Look for young, leafy growth. That's when weeds are most nutrient-rich. Avoid any weeds that are diseased or have been sprayed with chemicals. Chop the weeds into small pieces to speed up decomposition. No fancy tools needed, just use a spade or old shears. Place the chopped weeds into a permeable bag, like an old cloth sack or mesh laundry bag. This giant tea bag keeps things tidy and makes straining easy later. Don't pack the bag too tightly, leave some room for water to circulate. With your bag of chopped weeds ready, you're set for the next step. This simple prep makes the brewing process much smoother. Now let's get brewing. Place your bag of chopped weeds in a large bucket or container. For an extra nutrient boost, add a scoop of bone meal to the bag. Fill the container with water. Rainwater is best, but tap water works if left to sit for a day. Make sure the weeds are fully submerged. Cover the container with a lid to keep out rain and contain the smell. Let the mixture brew for 2 to 4 weeks, stirring every few days to aerate. You'll know it's ready when the liquid turns dark brown and smells earthy. Remove the bag and let it drain. Give it a gentle squeeze to get every drop. The result is a potent, nutrient-rich concentrate. This is your garden's liquid gold, ready to feed your plants. Brewing weed tea is easy, low-cost, and incredibly effective. Now let's use it to help your garden thrive. Weed tea is strong. Always dilute it before use. Mix 1 part weed tea with 10 parts water, aiming for the color of weak tea. Use this gentle feed on vegetables like tomatoes, beans, and pumpkins, and on flowering plants like roses and dahlias. Apply every 2 weeks during the growing season, soaking the soil at the base of your plants. For seedlings or delicate plants, dilute even further. Avoid using on root crops late in their cycle to prevent too much leafy growth. Always feed on damp soil for best absorption. Don't toss the leftover solids, add them to your compost as a powerful activator. You've now turned weeds into 2 valuable resources, liquid fertilizer and compost booster. Sit back and watch your garden flourish, all thanks to a simple, natural secret. Happy gardening.